What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's the Logitech 602 unboxing. I bought this as a renew refurbish. Okay, this is a mouse. Okay, so it have a micro keys which is good for gaming. 11 program micro keys. I love micro key for my productivity, because if you wanna be a productive, you need a mouse with a micro keys. Also you can use for gaming. Okay, first thing is that I bought a refurbished. This mouse seems like someone raped this mouse. I'm going to make a different video. Please if you're watching my video, do not buy this mouse. Literally, yeah, again I'm telling you, do not buy this mouse. Someone literally raped it. So dirty from everywhere. I don't know what to say. Just do not buy this mouse. That's all I can say. I can show you with my. You can see. Do not buy this mouse. As I renew, as I refurbish from Amazon. But if you're going to buy new, my opinion is that the mouse is quite good. It's very comfortable. Oh my god, I just paid $30 for a mouse which I will not even pay $1 as a use. Someone literally raped it. Okay, the micro keys are really very easy to press. So someone really badly use it. I will never wanna use this mouse. Okay, other than that, you can abuse it. Okay, it's very comfortable. Yeah, it's a very comfortable mouse. Okay, subscribe and bye.